In the realm of luxury, precision is the only currency. Welcome to the birthplace of black gold.
Our journey begins with the apex of aquaculture, mature Siberian sturgeon, raised in molecularly purified water.
We use 3D ultrasonic imaging to determine the exact maturity of the roe, ensuring every grain is at its peak.
Only when the eggs reach optimal density and size does the process move forward.
Harvest takes place in an ISO Class 5 clean room, a sterile environment superior to a surgical theater.
The fragile roe is immediately moved to silk mesh filters to begin the delicate separation process.
Controlled vibrations at specific frequencies release the black gold without a single rupture. Human expertise and mechanical precision work in perfect harmony to ensure the roe remains intact.
A rapid rinse in 0-degree deionized water removes all organic residue while tightening the egg's surface.
Total moisture control. Dry eggs are essential for the legendary pop that defines premium caviar.
We grade the roe by diameter. The larger the grain, the more complex the flavor profile.
Then comes the Malossol process. We use less than 3% high-purity sea salt to enhance, not mask, the flavor.
Each grain of salt is calculated to maintain the osmotic balance of the caviar.
This chemical reaction creates the signature brine that preserves the caviar naturally.
Packaging in gold-lined tins prevents any metallic oxidation, ensuring a pure, oceanic taste.
A high vacuum seal locks in the flavor at the molecular level.
Total transparency. From the individual sturgeon to your table, every tin is fully traceable.
The mark of the world's most refined processing standards.
The caviar must age. During this 4-week period, the salt fully penetrates the grain, developing its buttery depth. Temperature stability is critical. A fluctuation of half a degree can alter the final texture.
Continuous scientific monitoring ensures the Malossol ratio is perfect throughout the aging process.
We test the structural integrity of the membrane to ensure that perfect pop upon consumption.
Our facility operates under the highest hygiene standards in the food industry.
Certified excellence in every gram. Designed for global elite distribution, from Paris to Tokyo.
We maintain a cryogenic environment during transport to freeze time itself.
The final destination. The moment where engineering...
Notice the individual grains. Perfectly spherical, perfectly black, perfectly pure.
Our water is stripped of all impurities, allowing the natural flavor of the sturgeon to shine.
We monitor every breath of the fish to minimize stress and maximize roe quality. A high-protein, organic diet ensures the development of rich, fatty oils in every egg.
No detail is too small in the pursuit of the world's finest caviar.
Behind the robots, the human eye provides the final, uncompromising check.
This is the texture of perfection. This is black gold.
Scaling luxury through automated logistics. Delivering the apex standard to the world's most discerning tables. Our packaging is engineered to withstand the pressure of international air freight,
protecting the cold chain from the factory to the fork.
Soft touch handling is integrated into every mechanical arm on our line. Sustainability is part of our DNA. We leave no footprint, only flavor.
Ethical, advanced, and undeniably superior.
Each grain is a testament to our molecular mastery.
The fire of innovation never sleeps. The pursuit of the black gold continues.
Thermal sterilization ensures the line is reset to 0 bacteria every 6 hours.
Security and purity are interconnected. Access is restricted to the elite team.
We use non-reactive titanium to ensure the brine remains chemically pure. We study the cellular wall to optimize the salting duration for each batch. Absolute accuracy in salt concentration for the perfect savory finish.
Advanced materials science keeps our caviar fresher for longer.
Every motion is optimized for speed and vibration reduction.
Pure, unadulterated essence of the sea.
Intelligent climate control protects the delicate proteins in the roe.
Real-time blockchain tracking for every single gram produced.
Scan to discover the life story of the sturgeon that provided this luxury.
Because the final touch of luxury always requires a human soul.
Crafting an experience that begins before the first taste.
Respecting the ancient biology through modern technology.
Maintaining high energy levels in the sturgeon for the healthiest roe development.
The future of black gold begins in these high-tech nurseries.
Precision nutrition from day one of the sturgeon's life.
Self-cleaning systems maintain the highest possible production throughput.
Clean air, clean water, clean caviar.
Observe the flow, heavy, rich, and full of promise. Integrated sensors warn of any breach in the cold chain during delivery. Meeting and exceeding every global food safety regulation.
We look deep inside to ensure the protein structure is ideal for salting. Vertical logistics save space and maintain temperature uniformity. A facility where every surface is engineered for a specific purpose. No glue, no chemicals, just a pure thermal seal.
The apex standard is achieved once more.
The highest honor for our high-tech harvest.
%100 renewable energy for the world's most luxurious food.
We are guardians of the water as much as producers of the roe.
The chemistry of flavor, executed to the milligram.
sealing the black gold for its journey to the stars.
We never lose sight of our product until it reaches your hand.
Every tool is custom designed for the ergonomics of the sturgeon.
Every tin is a hand-packed masterpiece of industrial art, ensuring the scent of the sea is captured in its most elegant form.
Visual perfection is the prelude to culinary ecstasy.
Maintaining the -2 King CC threshold with unwavering precision.
The black gold is ready for its world debut.
1 grain, 1 goal, 1 APX.
Engineering a legacy of luxury and sustainability.
Documented excellence in every harvest cycle.
The heartbeat of the world's most advanced caviar factory. Apex process. Trusted by the world's elite.
A physical proof of freshness and vacuum integrity.
The black gold. Captured by science.
Apex process. Engineering the black gold.